Hi there and welcome to my channel. My channel is What's Cooper Up To Productions, and today we are going to unbox a brand new grow led hydroponic indoor gardening system. And if you would please subscribe and like the channel, that helps with the algorithms and that gets it out to more people who want to see this type of production. So we are going to look at this. I've already got it open. This right here, you can see, is got all these little tiny tags like things on. These are the lights. So that's the lid, and it's nice. It looks nice. It'll look good in the kitchen. And then this is the power unit, off and on switch. These here are covers for like if you want a wider space for maybe growing some red leaf lettuce, something like that. So where you don't want to use all your spots for other things. So there's those. This is a grow basket, and I really think I'm going to like these compared to the other grow product I already have, which I do like. It's Arrow Garden products. I have two of those. They're older ones, but I bought one on Amazon, and the other one I bought secondhand over on Facebook. So there's that. And then I'm going to take those out. All these things out. And then we got these guys. Oops. And they are these little grow pods. And this little plug comes out. You put your seeds in this. You need to moisten it first. But it's got, I first thought they were seeds, but they're like fertilizer. So you could do that. And you may want to use liquid next time, or buy more this type from this company. So I'm going to take all these out. This is some hardware. There's like a screw type thing in there, and there's some label attachments. And these are some more labels, and you can write on them with your marker and just stick them in your little plant for identification. I'm going to grow some coriander, or also known as cilantro, some basil, some bok choy. So, amongst other things, we'll do another video on those. Okay, so this is the unit right here. So it's pretty good size. The top comes off, and that's your water holder. So you can put the top back on. This is a screw for the arm. This is the arm that the light is going to go on. And this little guy is a water level indicator. This little guy here is a spout. You put it in here, and you pour your water right in there for when you need to refill it. It goes down a little bit. So this in here, ta-da! And then you take it back out, store it in there, and everything is good. Okay, I think I missed this in the beginning. This is your quick step guide to putting it together. So if you buy one of these, you get all this. Plus there is a website. I was on their website looking at their other items. It looks like some nice grow lights on there. So that's that, and I will do a follow-up video and show you how my plants are growing. It'll be probably about 4 to 6 weeks out from here. So if you subscribe, you can also sign up for notifications if you want to have notifications. And then you will know when I'm making another video to show you how this looks and how the vegetables are growing. So thank you for being with us today, and hope you enjoyed it, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.